Today we are going to see a new tool, a very effective tool for all the teachers. Now, if you are interested in writing, then this is the tool for you. And this tool will be very much useful for teachers who are involved in mathematics, statistics, accounts, where if you want to solve problems using a whiteboard, then you can go for this tool. Now, what you need to do is you have to go to the Play Store. You have to type Squid, SQUID. And once you get this app, it's an app available in Play Store. It's a free app. I already installed this app. So, okay. Once you go inside the app, you will see a page like this. You have to click the plus sign and go for the note. Now there are various notes available. See, you can have a ruled note, if you or you can have a blank note. Now I am selecting a blank note. So once I have selected my blank note, you can give a title for this note. So the title for this note is ICT. Okay, so title for the note. Now another requirement for using this tool is your pen with stylus. So stylus pen is a writing pen which we normally use it for a tab. So this pen is only 100 rupees. It is available in the market. So you have to call it as stylus. You have to ask for stylus pen. Now using this pen, okay, you can choose your color and you can start drawing or writing anything you want in your mobile. You can create your entire class in your mobile by writing. If you want to derive an equation, you can derive. Okay, y is equal to mx plus c, a plus b the whole squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, and you can just push this. So if you push this, the page will be extended, or if you want to go to the next page, you can go to the next page. If you want to go to the next page, you can go to the next page. If you want to erase it, you can take the eraser and you can simply erase it. Okay. Now, if you want to reduce the size, yes, you can reduce the size. It is available. See, you can reduce the size and use it. Okay. So if you want to draw, and show anything to your students, sorry. If you can even increase the size, thickness of the line. So if you want to increase the thickness of the line, you can increase. You can write anything. You can write everything here. Now, what I will do, so how to record the entire stuff using your mobile phone. Now what I do, I will come out, stylus pen. Okay, so I'm coming out from mobile. Now I want to create a class for today's ICT session or for any regular class. I will go to my screen recorder. I will tap my screen recorder. I will click start. So when I click start, now my screen recorder is on. You have to come out from the screen recorder, go to Squid, select a new note, and you can start using. Okay, you can start using your stylus. So my screen is recording. Okay, my screen is getting recorded, and you can record for hours together in this model. You can write, okay, as if you are writing in a blackboard or a whiteboard. Okay, you can draw, you can derive. Once you are done with this, what you need to do is you have to stop the recording. So my recording is ready. You have to stop the recording. So you can see here, go to Squid, select a new note. Okay, I will show you in a different. See, this is actually saved. Okay, so this is actually saved in my files. I will show you from my files. Okay, so that you will get a better view. See, you can see my file is saved here. So when I click start, now my screen recorder is on. You have to come out from the screen recorder. Go to Squid. You are watching my recorded class. Select a new using Squid. So if you have your mobile phone, you can run the entire show with your mobile phone. Okay. You can start using your stylus, provided you have a smartphone. Now once this video is ready, so my screen is recording. Okay, my screen is getting recorded, and you can record for hours together in this model. You can write, okay, as if you are writing in a blackboard or a whiteboard. Okay, you can draw, you can derive. Once you are done with this, what you need to do is you have to stop. Okay, so this is my video. Now you can take this video to your computer, or even you can, if you have a video editor in your mobile, you can edit this video and you can simply push it to your students. Another important application of this Squid app is whatever you have recorded or whatever you have drawn. Say for example, see, this is one of my class drawings. You can convert this as a PDF. See, you can convert this entire note or this page as PDF, and you can immediately share it to your classroom. See, once your class is over, you can simply convert this and you can share it to your classroom. So it's so simple that what you see, you don't require a laptop, you don't require a desktop, you just require your mobile phone and a stylus pen, and you can do wonders. Thank you for watching.